Alright, this is Sailboat Adventure Take 2. Okay, we've got Ariana here in the front. We got Ariana's grandmother, Ariana's mom, Laura, and we've got Danny and his little 4.5 horsepower. There's no wind today, so that sucks, but it's nice and cool up here. But as you can see, we've got the anchor up here and everything else is working like it should. I'll be lucky to get some wind here soon. Right? As you can see, it's all a bit messy and wet. They got hot and they had to jump in the lake. So, we're going to do what we call motor sailing. We're going to see where the wind is coming from, whatever little bit is coming, and keep the motor running real slowly so it kind of helps it. If that makes any sense. Okay, I'm going to pass the phone to Laura so she can record the rest of the evening. Here, it's recording. It's like two cameras on. Look, say hi.
Brandon, look. Say hi. Look. Say hi. You're riding on Papa's boat. You see Nana? Say hi. We're going for a ride on Papa's boat. Say Papa's boat.
Papa boat.
Yeah, in the water. See?
In the boat.
Here, hold her. Trying to figure out how to flip it.